Welcome to my room tour video. So let's see which kind of things I have kept in my room. So it is bed corner, which is so cozy, and here is books which I use mostly, and here's my favorite diary which is having um, two maps in front and back, world map and Indian map, which looks so good. So that's it, and I write most important things in this diary. And this diary is little bit different. Whatever I learned from the video, I was writing those things, and it has filled up completely. So yeah, so let's move to another area. So we have kept here. So yeah, it is my study area. So now you can see my table and drawer and some basic stuff which I use. Yeah, so here is lots of books, and here is mirror also, and my bed. But I don't sleep here, I sleep in another area. So here is shelf which is having medals I have kept here. So here I have kept few more, which is so funny. I can say 5th and 8th money which I was found for coming first in class. That was it, and it was just few gifts and few trophies, medals I can say. And yeah, here you can see my sisters and brothers book. There's a lot, and there is extra bags, and here is my notes and my books, my old books whatever I was using in 11th 12th. And here is mini box which I really like it, and here is small diary, mini diary, which is having a cute pictures, small pictures, small letters, and so cute guys. I really liked it. And here is one more thing, which is this, which I have made. I was just copying to that mini diary, mini book I can say, and I haven't completed that. So many years back I was making that. And here is my scrapbook which I was wanted to not show, but then I thought to show. Okay, so I was little bit creative. So in my childhood I have made this. Whatever photos I had in different class I have sticked, and I have written about that. And here is my 12th class photo, but I didn't stick that. Here is my childhood photos. So yeah, that is it. I did in childhood guys, I don't do right now this kind of stuff. So this is it, and let's see another corner of the room. So let's go. Yeah, you can see shelf. This kind of shelf is available in my room, and here is a stand which I use for making video and for clicking pictures. So and here is boxes having and cleaning tools also. And here is my college going outfits, and here is umbrella and my iCard which is here, and here is bag. In a bed corner, so comfortable area it is for me, and study table area also it is comfortable. And in upper area I keep little bit toys, and here my bhaiya dumbbell, what call I don't know. So it is a small fan and burnie. So yeah, it is night look which I am showing right now. So first of all I have showed you in a morning, and right now I'm showing in night. Is how it is looking, tell me in the comments. And here is few bags, and my one gift which is too much beautiful, so beautiful, I cannot express that. I really like this. My friend has given this beautiful gift, so thank you so much for this. I just wanted to show you guys. And then brother's bag and my bag, and again I'm showing you this area. So one toy is available here, and my scarf which I use, and this painting I have made in 6th class. So I was little bit creative, I have told you. So yeah, and these three painting also I did, which is in wall. And yeah, that's it. And that kind of painting I have made in around 217. I have moving to another thing to show you, which is doll, guys, which is looking so horrible. Yeah, so it was looking so cute in the past, but right now not. So that's how it looked like. So bye bye, guys. I hope you like this video. So here I am showing to myself.